Monday, first day of our triple project week. We had one project in sunny Santa Barbara and two in Ventura. But first, road trip. We loaded up in Lancaster with solar panels, racking, conduit, wire, and power walls, then headed out to deliver some sunshine. Ventura project number one was a residential install. We knocked out the layout, located rafters, installed attachments, mounted the rails, ran conduit, and completed the panel installation. All in just one day, smooth and clean. Next up, Santa Barbara. This roof had a surprise for us. At first glance it looked like a wood-shake roof, but it was actually ceramic tile. Plot twist. That meant extra attention when locating rafters, installing flashing, and making sure every attachment was properly waterproof. After a day and a half of drilling, mounting, wire management, and final detailing, we passed inspection with no issues. Then it was back to Ventura for project number 3, high up in the mountains with amazing views. This one was a flat roof system. We installed attachments, mounted the racking system, completed wire management, ran conduit, pulled conductors, and prepared everything for commissioning. Different roof, different challenges, same goal. 3 projects, 3 different roof types, residential and flat roof installations, panels, conduits, wire management, inspections, and power walls. One epic week with the crew doing what we do best, turning rooftops into power plants.